Hello, my dear children. Very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to learn chapter 19, agreement of the verb with the subject. There are 17 rules, agreement of the verb with the subject. Let us read one by one. First rule, basic principle, singular subject need, singular verbs, plural subject needs, plural verb. For example, my brother is a nutritionist. Here, my brother is a singular, so it takes the singular verb is. My sisters are mathematicians. My sisters is a plural, so it takes the plural verb are. Rule 2. The indefinite pronouns anyone, everyone, someone, no one, nobody are always singular and therefore require singular verbs. So they always, these pronouns anyone, everyone, someone, no one, nobody, they always mean the singular. So it will take a singular verb. Everyone has done his or her homework. Here has is a singular, have is a plural. Somebody has left her purse. Somebody is a indefinite pronoun, so it takes a singular verb has. Rule 3. Some indefinite pronouns such as all, some are singular or plural depending on what they are referring to. So such as all, some. They are singular, otherwise they may be a plural according to the place, according what they are referring. Is the thing referred to countable or not? Be careful choosing a verb to accompany such pronouns. For example, some of the beds are missing. Here beds we can count by numbering 1, 2, 3. So it is a countable noun. So it takes the plural verb. Some of the water is gone. It is water we cannot count, uncountable noun. So it takes a singular verb is. Rule 4. On the other hand, there is one indefinite pronoun, none, that can be either singular or plural. It often does not matter whether you use a singular or plural. So sometimes the pronoun none. So you can use it singular as well as the plural. It is not a matter. For example, none of you claims responsibility for this incident. None of you claim is a plural, claims is a singular, claim responsibility for this incident. None of the students have done their homework. Rule 5. Phrase such as together with, as well as, and along with are not the same as and. The phrase introduced by as well as or along with will modify the earlier word. Mayor in this case, but it does not compound the subject as the word and would do. If we are using as well as, we can use a singular verb. If we are using and for a compound the subject, we have to use a plural verb. For example, the mayor as well as his brothers is going to prison. The mayor and his brothers are going to jail. Here we used under. That's why it will take a plural verb. If you use as well as, it takes a singular verb. Rule 6. The pronouns either and neither are singular and requires a singular verbs. As we all know, I told you before also when I was taking tenses. So either, neither and all will take a singular verb. They mean a single. They mean a one. Either and neither. For example, either of two traffic lights is working. Which shirt do you want for Christmas? Either is fine with me. Rule 7. In informal writing, either and neither. Now only I told you, either and neither it will mean the singular, so it takes a singular verb. So sometimes in informal writing to ask questions, if we are using either and neither, we can go for a plural verb. Have either of you two clowns read the assignment? Are either of you taking this seriously? Rule 8. The conjunction or does not conjoin as and does. When nor or are is used, the subject closer to the verb determines the number of the verb. Either my father or my brothers are going to sell the house. Here the conjunction or does not conjoin as and does. Neither my brothers or my father is going to sell the house. Are either my brothers or my father responsible? Is either my father or my brothers responsible? Here you should not forget the conjunction or does not conjoin as and does. When nor or are is used, the subject closer to the verb determines the number of the verb. Rule 9. The words there and here are never subjects. There are two reasons, plural subject there, for this. There is no reason for this, no reason, nothing. So is we used. Here are two apples. Rule 10. Verbs in the present tense for the third person singular subject, as we all know, we use he, she, it. When we are using the third person in the present tense, the verb will finish in the s ending. He loves, she loves, they love, or we love. Rule 11. Sometimes modifiers will get between a subject and its verb, but these modifiers must not confuse the agreement between the subject and its verb. For example, the mayor, who has been convicted along with his 4 brothers on 4 counts of various crimes, but who also seems like a cat to have several political lives, is finally going to jail. Rule 12. Words such as glasses, pans, pillars and scissors are required as plural and require plural verbs unless they are produced by the phrase pair, in which case the word pair becomes the subject because they will mean a pair. My glasses were on the bed. Normally the words are in plural, that's why it will take a plural verb. My pants were torn. A pair of blade trousers is in the closet. Rule 13. Some words end in yes and appear to be plural but not really singular and require singular verbs. The news is we may think it is ascending plural. It is it's remaining as a plural verb, a plural subject, but it is a singular. It will remain one. The news from the friend is bad. Measles is a dangerous disease for pregnant women. Rule 14. On the other hand, some words ending in yes refer to a singular thing but are nonetheless plural and require a plural verb. My assets were wiped out in the depression. The average worker's earnings have gone up dramatically. Our thanks go to the workers who supported the union. Here assets is a plural, so it took a plural verb were. Here the workers, so the plural verb we used to have. Here are thanks, so we used for the workers, so plural verb workers. Rule 15. Fractional expressions such as half of, a part of, a percentage of, a majority of are sometimes singular and sometimes plural depending on the meaning. Whenever we are using as half of, a part of, a percentage of, it according to the meaning it will change as a singular as well as the plural. A large percentage of the older population is voting against her. 2/5 of the troops were lost in the battle. 2/5 of the vineyard was destroyed by fire. 40% of the students are in favor of changing the policy. 40% of student body is in favor of changing the policy. So it is according to the meaning of a sentence, the verb is changing. Rule 16. Sums, products or mathematical process are expressed as a singular and require a singular verbs. Whenever we are using the mathematical numbers, it will refer the singular, so it will take a singular verb. For example, more than one student has tired this. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 times 4 divided by 2 is 8. Rule 17. If a sentence compounds a positive and a negative subject and one is plural, the other singular, the verb should agree with the positive subject. The department members, but not the chair, have decided not to teach a Valentine's Day. It is not the faculty members, but the president who decides this issue. So my dear children, this is what the lesson. Read the 17 rules and you will understand more deeply. Thank you. Have a nice day.